Are you looking for the best point-and-shoot cameras? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best point-and-shoot cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Fujifilm X100VI. The Fujifilm X100VI delivers a rare combination of style and substance. Its retro exterior calls back to rangefinder cameras from the manual focus film era, but there's plenty under the surface, too. A bright 35mm f/2 equivalent prime lens means you can stretch shutter speeds and get sharp photos in all kinds of light, while a stabilized 40MP sensor lets you crop in for a tighter view. An eye-level viewfinder, EVF, swaps between an optical and electronic view, and the rear touchscreen tilts so you can shoot from more interesting angles. Thoughtful control dials round out the package and make it simple to set the exposure. The X100VI appeals to creators of all skill levels. Its imaging engine captures the best JPGs in the industry, and RAW support is available for photographers who want to edit photos on a computer. The discrete controls should satisfy creators who love manual mode, and automatic operation is available as well. And despite its film camera looks, 6.2K video recording is available, too. The only problem is finding one in stock. Even a year after introduction, demand for the X100VI is outpacing supply, so you should expect to wait weeks or months for delivery. Recent reports indicate that Fujifilm may catch up soon after increasing production capacity, but at press time you'll still have to pay above retail to get the X100VI without a wait. Number 2. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is among the best small cameras for videos and vlogs. It lives up to its name with a small form factor, and gimbal stabilization makes it ideal for handheld recording. A Type 1 sensor does a great job in all kinds of light, and we like that the camera easily swaps between widescreen and vertical aspect ratios. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a bit of a square peg among point-and-shoot cameras, most of which have form factors and feature sets that prioritize photos. However, vloggers and other creators who prefer making movies won't struggle to find reasons to add it to their kit. Number 3. Sony Cybershot DSC RX107. The Sony RX107 is the ultimate travel camera. It slides into a pocket and pairs a 24 to 200mm zoom lens with a 20MP Type 1 image sensor. It also hides a pop-up electronic viewfinder in its frame. It's one of the most expensive compacts available, but you get top-flight picture quality and a killer lens for the money. Creators who prefer the ergonomics of a real camera over a smartphone are the target market here. The RX107 keeps up with the latest iPhone Pros in picture quality and has an ample zoom lens, but it's the ability to engage the EVF and bring the camera to your eye that really sells it over smartphones. Number 4. Ricoh GR II9. The Ricoh GR II9 puts a lot of camera into a pocketable design. First, there's the 24MP sensor with sensor shift stabilization and the same APS-C dimensions as in swappable lens cameras. The lens is a wide standard 40mm f/2.8 with a macro mode and responsive phase detection autofocus. If you prefer a wider view, Ricoh also makes the GR3, which is the same camera just with a wider 28mm lens, as well as the GR3 HDF and II9 HDF, both of which swap out the in-lens neutral density filter for a soft focus effect filter. The Ricoh GR series enjoys a bit of cult status among photo nerds. Pros and artists who don't always want to carry a big camera and aren't satisfied using a phone should enjoy it in particular. It's a small camera but has smart on-body controls and picture quality that goes toe-to-toe with swappable lens models. Number 5. Leica Q3. The Leica Q3 is about as luxe as it gets. The fixed lens beauty features 28mm f1.7 optics and a 60MP full-frame sensor, along with a high-gloss black metal body with IP52 weather protection. Add a quality EVF, good macro capabilities, and 8K video, and you might find a reason to drop nearly $6,000 on a camera. Let's face it, Leica is an expensive brand, and you should consider the Q3 only if you have lots of money to spare. But if you can afford it, this small camera is perfectly suitable for everyday photography, world travel, and anything in between.